three of them lived together in a house where Mr. Williams has lived for years. The brother who's deceased moved in there after having lived away for quite some time, and in fact was in drug rehabilitation for a while in Florida, but came back and got back on drugs, and the night he apparently died, it wasn't discovered for a day or so, witnesses saw him being dropped off at the house where he lived with his two brothers, Mr. Williams and another brother, by a white small car of some kind. And I don't know if that person is involved or not, but that was the last known person to have been with his brother. And then he was discovered by another family member in the house later that day, having been shot.
Williams was in the home at the time his brother was found. The sister said that she thought that the victim was sleeping. Since he had been asleep for such a long time, she decided to try to wake him, and that's when they discovered that he was cold and unconscious, and they called 911 at that time. When the police arrived, they did find that he was shot. There has been confirmation that Mr. Williams and the deceased, his brother, were in an argument at that time in reference to money, that his brother owed him some money. His brother was on drugs. That was something that Mr. Williams did not like, did not want to tolerate, with the brother being in the home. So there was that tension there. The murder weapon was found in the home, in the same living room that the brother was discovered in. It was a shotgun. Mr. Williams owns several guns that were passed down to him, and he is the only one of them that had access to those weapons. I believe he sleeps in one of the rooms and has a lock on it because he does have the weapons. Your Honor, Mr. Williams does have a supportive family, and they are going to support their brother no matter what.